अरविंद केजरीवाल का परिचय एक चोर का बन चुका है, एक भ्रष्टाचारी का बन चुका है, जिसने जिन पैसे से टूटी गलियां बनती, सीवर बनते, जल का जमाव खत्म होता, बुजुर्गों का पेंशन दिया जाता, गरीबों का राशन कार्ड बनता, अरविंद केजरीवाल कट्टर करप्ट के रूप में आज जेल के शिक्षकों के पीछे हैं। हर दिन उनके नए खुलासे आ रहे हैं और जो आशीर्वाद की बात उन्होंने किया है, आशीर्वाद उसको मिलता है जो जनता के लिए कुछ किया रहता है। अरविंद केजरीवाल ने दिल्ली की जनता को रुलाया है, दिल्ली की जनता को बीमारियां दी हैं और इलाज के लिए अस्पतालों की जगह उन्होंने और बीमारी बढ़ाने वाले व्यवस्थाएं दी, दवाइयां नकली दी। ये सारे केस चल रहे हैं।
Well, let me go across to Tejshri for more on this. Tejshri, the third such appeal now coming from Arvind Kejriwal's wife, Sunita Kejriwal, making a public appeal and also launching what is the Kejriwal Ko Ashirwad campaign, wherein WhatsApp messages should be sent to show solidarity to the Chief Minister of Delhi, who's currently lodged in ED custody. Take us through the reactions, the different reactions that have now come with respect to this particular campaign and this appeal on the part of Kejriwal's wife.
Well, yes, in fact, remember that the announcement of this campaign was made by Sunita Kejriwal, the wife of Arvind Kejriwal, in her third press briefing after Arvind Kejriwal, the Chief Minister of Delhi, was arrested and now currently is in the custody of Enforcement Directorate. And the message that the Aam Aadmi Party is trying to give is that, yes, even if Kejriwal is in jail, no matter what, the government is still running from the jail itself, and perhaps Aam Aadmi Party is trying to again re-establish its cadre, its organizational strength on ground and of course on the social media too, because the social media campaign is the biggest tool that Aam Aadmi Party is using as of now to gain the trust of people, or in fact to spread the message among the people that even Kejriwal is in jail, there will be no impact on the subsidiaries, on the schemes or on the freebies that the people of Delhi are getting. So clearly Aam Aadmi Party is sending a message via this campaign on one hand, where Aam Aadmi Party is trying to re-establish its cadre. On the other hand, we see BJP calling it as a political agenda again, and in fact saying that Aam Aadmi Party has lost its base because its chief minister has been arrested, and in fact whatever orders Kejriwal is passing from the jail, all the orders are illegal and fake, and perhaps that is why BJP has also knocked the doors of the Delhi Police Commissioner, and in fact have asked them to file a complaint against these orders that were issued by Arvind Kejriwal from the custody itself. So now we'll have to see that what kind of support does the Kejriwal gets being in the jail over social media.
All right, thanks for that, Tejshri. Now, another massive subplot in the Enforcement Directorate's investigation so far relates to the access to Kejriwal's mobile phones. While seeking additional remand, the Enforcement Directorate in its remand note also mentioned how Arvind Kejriwal's phones are yet to be analysed. The ED has said that a phone of Sunita Kejriwal has been analysed, but 4 phones of Arvind Kejriwal haven't yet been searched, as Kejriwal is yet to disclose the passwords for those phones. The Aam Aadmi Party has kicked up a massive storm over Kejriwal's phone. The Delhi minister, Atishi, has said that the BJP and not the ED wants Kejriwal's phones so that they can know the Aam Aadmi Party's election strategy and also conversations with its India allies. Listen in to the claim and the counterclaims. In fact, we'll come to that in just a short while. Interestingly, the India bloc had planned to protest in favour of Arvind Kejriwal today at the BJP's office and also at the Azad Maidan in Mumbai. But the Mumbai protest was rather unceremoniously called off. There were a few people who did turn up and raise placards. On the other hand, the Aam Aadmi Party leaders have pointed towards the India rally that is door-to-door protest today to drive more footfall for that rally.
इंडिया अलायंस प्रोटेस्ट करने वाली थी भारतीय जनता पार्टी के ऑफिस के बाहर कि किस तरह ईडी एक एक्सटॉर्शन रैकेट बन गई है, किस तरह से ईडी का प्रयोग किया जा रहा है कंपनियों को धमकाने के लिए और उसके बाद उनसे पैसे की उगाही करने के लिए। लेकिन अभी पूरी इंडिया अलायंस 31 तारीख की रैली की तैयारी में व्यस्त है। इस पूरे मुद्दे को 31 तारीख की रैली में डिटेल में दिल्ली की जनता और देश के जनता के सामने रखा जाएगा और फिर बाकी सारे प्रोटेस्ट उसके बाद प्लान होंगे।
देखिए, जिस तरह से देश के प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी ने तानाशाही पूर्ण रवैया अपनाते हुए दिल्ली के चुने हुए मुख्यमंत्री को गिरफ्तार किया है, पूरे दिल्ली के अंदर इसके खिलाफ आक्रोश है। इसके विरोध में 31 तारीख को 10 बजे पूरी दिल्ली रामलीला मैदान पहुंच रही है, जिसमें इंडिया गठबंधन के पूरे देश के जो शीर्ष नेता हैं वो भी इस तानाशाही के विरोध में रामलीला मैदान पहुंच रहे हैं।